Hello everybody, this video will show you how to create shareable files of the result sheets so that you can send out to pupils' parents. This only works if you have a Gmail, Google Mail account. So you'll click on one of the following links and it will open up a new web page that looks like this. So this page will ask you to copy the document. You do that by making a copy by selecting this. And so what it's generating is your own individual file. So before sending this document out to your pupils' parents, what you want to be putting in is your school name, your year group. So this is a Key Stage 1 event, so it'll be year 1s or year 2s, and your individual class name. What you will also need to do is just populate using just your pupils' first names would be fine. And so you just populate all these this column with all your pupils' names. Then if you want to change the deadline, so the deadline for this event for you to submit the scores is the 22nd of January. We've changed this just to give you a little bit of leeway to chase parents. If you want to change that, you can. So just to prepare this document before sending to parents, you need to change the privacy settings for this document. So you go into the top right, select Share. And down here, you'll change to anyone with the link, you select that. And currently, everybody who has the link can view the document. You want them to be able to edit the document. So you go down and select Editor, and then Done. So I'd recommend changing the document title to something that is recognizable if you have many different classes. So year 1s, for example. And so when you send this to parents, they're going to be putting in their score. The only things that they can change are these 3 columns here where they can input scores. So they'll type in a score, and what's going to happen is that the cell is going to go black, turn black. The reason why is we're trying to avoid pupils trying to one-up their friends, and if someone got 15, they're going to think they can get 16 or 17, and so the scores just progressively become inaccurate. So the score is still there, but the cell has become blank. If you need to modify the score again, you just select it and the score is visible. So if you want to send this page to your pupils' parents, this is the link that you send, so you just copy paste that and send that to the year 1's class, for example. So if you have a year 2 class, you will go down to File, and then you can go to Make a Copy. You rename this to year 2s, for example. And this is generating a new document, a new file. So you would have to change the year groups, obviously. This is just for your tracking, and then obviously change the names as well. I'd recommend going into the settings and changing the sharing settings again, because it always goes safe and because you can only view this. So change to editor again. Done. So those are those 2. If you want to create the Key Stage 2 ones, you just do exactly the same thing, but you send that on the Key Stage 2, you follow that link. At the end of by your deadline, the numbers that you will be submitting to us are these numbers here, so they automatically update whenever pupils hand in their scores. These are your averages. Those are the 4 numbers that you will be asked to submit on the file, on the Google form. We haven't put the link there to avoid parents filling in individual scores on that and submitting their individual scores. There we go.